Welcome sa aking gulayan. Gulay is life. I have a collection of vegetables like pumpkin, celery, 3 days old, alugbati or Malabar Nightshade sa English. I have taro and okra. It's time to harvest our product, small garden. This is alugbati. Ang tamang pag-harvest ng Malabar Nightshade or sa Tagalog, alugbati. Putulin lang natin doon sa pinakamalapit sa malambot pa na part ng stem or the soft stem. So yung pinagputulan natin, pwede pa nating itanim. Kuha naman tayo ng ibang container na pagtataniman. So yung mga tanim ko yan na alugbati, ang pinakamatanda dyan ay 3 weeks. Ito naman ay 2 weeks dito sa container na ito. This white container that I used, I just planted this Malabar Nightshade for 2 weeks. So this is what we get in our small backyard of vegetable. Okay, this is how we're going to eat the fresh alugbati with Pia and Jasmine. Lunch cabbage with string beans. String beans ba ito? And carrots. Pia, you try this one.
Pia is all done now.
Mommy is full. Pia is full down.
Thanks for watching. Gulay is life.